Big Boss 15 finally seems to get interesting as they have brought back entertainment queen Rakhi Sawant in the controversial show. However, this time she has not entered alone, as her reported husband Ritesh has also made an appearance in the public eye. Rakhi entered the house first. She stood in front of the camera and said, "तो मैं आ गई हूँ अपने पति रितेश को लेकर." Dressed in red sari, Rakhi danced on Madhuri Dixit's number "Mera Piya Ghar Aaya" before Ritesh's entry. In a few moments, the door to the Big Boss house opened and Ritesh steps in the house wearing a sehra. Rakhi welcomed her better half with a puja thali. Before touching his feet, she told Ritesh, "आपका वेलकम है। 12 मुल्कों की पुलिस और पूरी देश की जनता आपका इंतजार कर रही है." In an interview to IANS earlier this week, Rakhi said, "Earlier, I entered the show as a contestant and now I will be seen as a wife. Everyone will call me the best bahu after this." She added that she will be adding spice to this season. "I am going to add tadka to the show that I believe was lacking." The actor further said she and her husband both are jolly, so the audience will see a lot of enjoyment on the show that they are going to do. When asked, is she planning to make the connections with the housemates in the house, and she said, "I don't think so how much connection I will be able to make inside the house. Actually, I cannot decide anything right now." Rakhi Sawant, who entered Big Boss 14 as challenger, quit the show on finale night, taking a bag of rupees 14 lakh, but this time she wants to continue till the end. It is unclear that if Rakhi Sawant has entered the show as a guest or wildcard contestant. However, there are 2 other entries happened in the show. Popular TV actresses Rashmi Desai and Devalina Bhattacharjee have stepped into the show as wildcard contestants. Vishal Kotian, Simba Nagpal, Jai Bhanushali and Neha Bhasin have been eliminated from the Big Boss house this week. This is for the first time when in a week, 4 contestants got evicted from the BB house. Well, after the entry of wildcard contestants in the Big Boss house, it will be interesting to know what kind of tadka they will bring to add in the BB house. The upcoming episode of Weekend Kavar will see Salman Khan taking the class of housemates. He says that to make the show successful, he has to bring old contestants. He also raised questions on the relationship of Tejasvi Prakash and Karan Kundra, saying people are getting bored of their on-screen bonding. Moreover, there will be some added fun with the entry of special guests that includes Tadap movie cast including Ahan Shetty, Tara Sutaria, along with them Sunil Shetty, Ravi Kishan, Ravi Dubey and also the cast of A Daily Show, Sirf Tum, Vivian Dizena and Isha Singh will also be seen. Big Boss is India's biggest reality show. The show is on Colors.
Subscribe to our channel. Just click on the bell icon for all the latest updates.